Hello, Tech Point family. Welcome back to Tekno Point. Today, we're immersing ourselves into the breathtaking world of virtual reality as we unbox Meta's latest sensation, the Quest 3. Elevating the VR experience. The Quest 3 takes the already phenomenal VR experience and cranks it up a notch. With a higher resolution display and a lightning-fast processor, get ready to witness and feel a whole new dimension of gaming. Augmented reality. Unleashed. Picture this, vibrant color pass-through cameras that seamlessly integrate augmented reality into your gaming and workspaces. The Quest 3's curved face houses 4 cameras, 2 for spatial tracking and environment scanning, and 2 RGB pass-through cameras providing a kaleidoscope of your surroundings. Powerful performance with Snapdragon XR 2 Gen 2. Under the hood, the Quest 3 boasts the Snapdragon XR 2 Gen 2 processor, claiming 2.5 times the performance of its predecessor. Powered by Qualcomm, it outpaces even the Quest Pro's Snapdragon XR 2 Plus, making it a true VR powerhouse. Smart design, smart controls. Between the bottom cameras, you'll find a pupil distance adjustment dial, a volume button, and 3 contacts for an optional charging station. Charge it up using the USB-C port on the left hinge if the charging station isn't your style. A power button sits just below. Storage options and visual brilliance. Equipped with 8 GB of RAM and available in 128 GB and 512 GB storage variants, the Quest 3 delivers sharp visuals with a remarkable 2064x2 208-pixel resolution. The high resolution sets it apart from both Quest 2 and Quest Pro. Expanding possibilities. Meta's Quest software library has transformed into a treasure trove of fitness apps, productivity tools, and a diverse collection of detailed and captivating games. Connect it to your PC with the optional $79.99 link cable and unlock the world of Steam VR games. Editor's choice, a VR masterpiece. After diving into local games, I'm pleased to say the Quest 3's performance, driven by the Snapdragon XR 2 Gen 2, left me thoroughly impressed. It easily earns the Editor's Choice Award as an outstanding standalone VR headset. Join the VR revolution with Tekno Point. Ready to elevate your gaming experience to new dimensions? Dive into the Meta Quest 3 with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all things tech here at Tekno Point.